Hello dear learners, today we are going to do a new topic in our English practice book. But before moving towards the topic, I want to share one of the example. Okay, let me share with you all. See here in the example, it's about Raju's home, a poem where the experience of Raju in a house big and small is shared. Okay, here the poem. I'm going to focus over the words underlined here. Look at the words underlined there. The, this again, many, these, and, that, no, nor, that, little. Some others are also underlined there. If you observe all the words given there which are underlined, they are placed before a noun there. Look at the mall, house, garden, flower beds, flowers. Some others are also there. Okay, some others are also placed in the same way. So see the words underlined there. These words are determining a particular noun there, and they are placed before a noun. So such words are known as your determiners. The next thing is there, that is the definition of the determiners. So the definition of determiners is the words which are used to determine a particular noun. So that kind of words are known as your determiners. These words are always placed before a noun, as you have seen in the example there. Next comes your kinds of determiners. There are 6 kinds of determiners. Let's know about those kinds. See here, the first kind is your articles, second one is your possessive, third one is your demonstrative, fourth one is your distributive, next is your quantifiers, and last is your interrogatives or interrogatives. Clear? So these are the 6 kinds of determiners. Here in the chapter we are going to focus over articles and your quantifiers. Okay? Now let's know more about your articles there. See here we have articles. Articles are the words which are used before a noun. Okay, it has 2 kinds there. One is your indefinite articles and other one is your definite articles. Now when it comes to your indefinite articles, we are going to use this indefinite articles with a singular noun, and that should be countable one. Okay, in this indefinite article we have 2 words. One is your a and other one is your an. See, one thing we have to focus whenever we are using indefinite articles, that whenever we are going to use these 2 words that are related to your indefinite articles, we will focus over the sound of the given noun there. That what is the sound of the first letter of the given noun. Now what kind of sound we can have? We can have vowel sound or consonant sound. Okay, whenever we have consonant sound of the particular noun, then we'll use a, and if we have vowel sound of the given noun there in the beginning, then we are going to use an. Okay, for example, if I take the example of basket. So if you see basket having the first letter B, so B sound belongs to your consonant. So with that basket word we are going to use a. Okay, and if I take the example of umbrella, umbrella is having first sound, that is your a. So a belongs to your vowel sound. With that vowel we are going to use an article. Okay, one other thing also we have to keep in our mind, that whenever indefinite article we are using, we will not focus over the spelling of the given noun. We are going to focus over the sound or pronunciation of the first letter of the given noun there. So that's how we can use a and an. That are your indefinite articles. Next comes to your definite articles. Definite articles has only one article, that is your the. It has its own uses. Let's know about this one. See, here we have article the, which is related to your definite article. This article is used with singular as well as plural nouns. Okay, let's know more about this article and its uses. Here we have with a person or a thing already mentioned. So here if I take the example like I bought a hat and a scarf. The hat cost me $10 and the scarf 12. So here hat and scarf are mentioned earlier in the sentence. Okay, so again when we want to talk about the same noun there, then we are going to use the there in the sentence. Okay, next we have with the unique things. Whenever we have unique things, we will use the article the there. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, etc. Next we have with the names of rivers, mountains, books, etc. Like the Gangas, the Kaveri, the Himalayas, the Ramayana. Okay. Next is there, that is before the country name that include a common noun. For this we can have the example like the United States of America. Okay. Next we have that is before adjectives of superlative degrees. Okay, whenever we are using superlative degree of adjectives, then we are going to use the with it, like the biggest meeting, the greatest man, the longest journey. Here biggest, greatest and longest are the superlative degrees. Okay, next is there, that is when we particularize a person or a thing there. For example, the president, the prime minister, such kind of persons or things, when we are particularizing, then we are using the article with them. Lastly, we have with the abbreviations. See, whenever we are just abbreviating the word, means we are shortening the words. Okay, then we are going to use the article the with them, like the WHO, the USA, okay, etc. Okay, so that is the use of your article the there. I hope you have understood the uses of articles. Okay, now I hope you can easily solve the worksheet related to articles in your chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.